Hey everybody, I'm Mary and welcome to my kitchen. I need a mid-afternoon pick-me-up. It's hot outside, I want some caffeine, but I do not want a cup of hot coffee. I have some leftover coffee in the refrigerator. I know I normally don't have leftover coffee. Made some the other day in the middle of the afternoon, didn't drink it all, so I put it in the refrigerator. Okay, I have a small cup. I have some evaporated milk. Okay, I have a third cup of the evaporated milk. I'm just going to pour it into my my cup. And I have 2 tablespoons of the monkfruit sweetener, the Lakanto brand. If you don't want to use this, folks, you can use plain sugar. I'm just using this because it's lower calorie and lower carb. And I'm going to use 1/2 cup of just leftover, straight from the refrigerator, black coffee. That gives me room to stir it up. Now folks, what does that look like to you? Not only am I going to tell you what it looks like, I'm going to tell you exactly what it reminds me of, what it tastes like. I have just made a Copycat Starbucks Frappuccino. And this thing is fantastic. It hits the spot. You've got to give it a try. Because honestly, I can't tell the difference. This is crazy. It's so good. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. And when you need a mid-afternoon pick-me-up and you don't want something hot, you've got to give this a try. See you folks on the next video.